Hello everybody, welcome to Vincar's VROOM channel. He's Lester, I'm Dave, and today we'll run through Mercedes' new 7-seater SUV, the GLE 450. Let's go! Born in 1997 as the M-Class and likened to something of an ugly duckling, it was renamed as the GLE-Class in 2015. This upper midsize SUV has grown in size and has morphed into the handsome car we have here. This is Mercedes' new design template. Slim headlights and sharp styling across the front make this SUV a showstopper. With the extra dimensions, Mercedes has now managed to squeeze in proper third-row seats for actual people. And while the M-Class did have a short-lived stint as a 7-seater very early on, it was more of an afterthought than anything else. The new GLE also has one-touch controls to configure the loading and seating capacity depending on your needs. An absolutely brilliant idea if you ask me. Powering this GLE 450 is the now familiar 3-litre inline 6-cylinder engine with EQ Boost technology. 367 horsepower and 500 Nm mean this 2-ton SUV has more than decent performance. The GLE 450's new interior also follows the trend started in the A-Class. The twin glass panels are now a prominent feature and comes with a touchscreen for the infotainment display. Also present is Mercedes' MBUX interface, allowing you to instruct the car to carry out commands like adjusting the temperature and selecting your entertainment options. But the level of customization available on this car boggles the mind. Suspension settings, steering angles, safety features, driving modes are just the tip of the iceberg. We also have convenience features like smartphone integration, wireless charging, and even a fragrance dispenser. I'm surprised that Mercedes doesn't offer an instructor to guide you through all the available features. In fact, I'd recommend a visit to our showroom at 24 Leng Road, where our relationship managers will be on hand to help you find out more about the new Mercedes GLE 450. You'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching Vincar's VROOM channel, and we'll see you next time.